This is the final video in my five-part series on what production ready means for internal AI applications. In the first four videos, I covered the core pillars, setting the right quality standard, locking down security and access, managing token costs, and keeping the app stable once people start depending on it. Each of these requires a deliberate decision before you could call an application production ready. But this final video is about a shifted mindset. It's about how your LLM use should change once people are relying on your application. Early on, you're using an LLM to build, to shape the workflow, write code, refine prompts, and move quickly. But once your team relies on that application for their daily work, you need to transition the LLM from a builder into a reviewer. And here's how that works in practice. Before you push an update, give your LLM your current workflow. Tell it exactly what you want to change. Describe how the app is supposed to behave when everything is working perfectly, and then ask it for a production review before you write a single line of new code. The goal here isn't to generate more code right away. The goal is to understand the ripple effects of your updates. If you add a new filter, what downstream metrics could shift? If you introduce a new view, what existing user workflow might break? And if you tweak a single prompt, what unexpected outputs do you need to check for? That is the habit I want business leaders and AI operators to build. Before you ask the LLM to help build the next version of your application, ask it to help you understand the risks in your current version. And that is what ties this entire series together. Production ready is not a fixed one time standard, it's an ongoing set of decisions about security, cost, performance, testing, and how you manage change over time. And that is what moves an internal AI application from a useful prototype to something the business can rely on. If you found this series useful, follow me here on LinkedIn. I post every week on moving AI tools from prototype to production.